In the world of semiconductor manufacturing and pharmaceutical processes, precision and cleanliness are not just desired, they're essential. Here, the challenge lies in maintaining these standards in environments where even the smallest contamination can lead to significant setbacks. Enter Setra's ultra-high purity pressure sensors, meticulously designed to meet these demanding needs. Setra's UHP pressure sensors stand out with their unparalleled precision and cleanliness. Constructed from the highest quality materials, they ensure accurate pressure measurements while minimizing contamination risks, making them ideal for the most critical environments. Imagine a sensor that not only meets but exceeds the stringent standards for purity and reliability. Setra's UHP solutions offer unmatched performance and dependability, engineered specifically for your most challenging applications. With Setra, you don't just get a product, you gain a partner committed to elevating your processes with precision and assurance. Experience the difference that Setra's ultra-high purity pressure sensors bring to your operations today.